Getting Apple CarPlay and Siri running in your BMW 5 Series is simpler than you might think. Nearly all recent 5 Series models support wireless integration, meaning no cables are required for a seamless experience. Let us walk through the setup process to get your devices synced up correctly. First, verify that Siri is active on your iPhone, then navigate to the Manage Mobile Devices menu in your iDrive system. Keep in mind that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be active on your phone for the wireless connection to hold. Most users connect on their first attempt, while a simple device restart usually resolves any lingering sync issues. If Siri fails to respond, double-check your iPhone software updates, as outdated versions often cause compatibility glitches. Now that you are connected, your BMW 5 Series is ready for hands-free navigation and music control.